Switching to new iPhone but move to iOS not working and you are stuck with WhatsApp data transfer? If yes, this video is for you. Watch this video full and follow the method by downloading the application from the links in description and pin comment to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone without factory reset. Well, that's not enough. As we are in festive season, I have some great offers and giveaway details for you all, with which you can win yourself up to $500 Amazon gift card and many free tools as well. So stay tuned and watch this video full to get all the details. Hey folks, myself Akhil from WM Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all the best way to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone if move to iOS is not working for you, and it will be done without factory reset iPhone. Folks, there are many ways to transfer WhatsApp from old phone to new phone, and we also have official WhatsApp transfer method with move to iOS, but it has a limitation as we will require latest hardware and software to use it. So if you are using old models of iPhone or Android phones, you can't use move to iOS. Well, we can transfer WhatsApp data using Google Drive backup or iCloud backup, but it is also limited as WhatsApp backup done on Google Drive or iCloud are not cross-compatible. Now that move to iOS is not working and we can't transfer WhatsApp data using Google Drive backup or iCloud backup, then how to transfer WhatsApp data from old phone to new phone? Well, for this we will be using best WhatsApp transfer software, and that is iCarefone WhatsApp transfer from Tenorshare. It takes just one click to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone 14, and it can be done without factory reset iPhone. Supports multi-directional transfer as it can also transfer WhatsApp data from Android to Android, iPhone to iPhone and iPhone to Android without any limitations, and it also supports iOS 16. Just follow 3 simple steps and you can transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone using iCarefone WhatsApp transfer. Wow, seems so easy. Let's give it a try, and for that click on free download. It starts downloading, and once iCarefone WhatsApp transfer free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation. Once done, click on this to open it. Here we have iCarefone WhatsApp transfer with all its features and capabilities. Let's know how to use iCarefone WhatsApp transfer. But before that, let me show you the data I am looking to transfer. Here is my Android phone, which is Samsung Galaxy F13. It has WhatsApp with chats that has images, sticker, videos and voice notes as well. Now let's move to iCarefone WhatsApp transfer and click on WhatsApp. Now we will be required to connect our devices, connected Android phone, and see here it shows my Samsung Galaxy F13 in source device. Next, connected my iPhone. Now we will see trust this computer notification. Tap on trust and our iPhone will get connected. Once both devices are connected, click on transfer. Now we need to enable USB debugging on our Samsung phone. Follow the method to do the same. Open settings and then scroll down to about phone. Here tap on software information and then tap 7 times on build number to enable developer mode. Now go back and you will see developer options. Tap on to open it. From here toggle on USB debugging. Now we will be required to allow USB debugging. Tap on allow. Now here we get a warning that any data on iPhone's WhatsApp will be overwritten. Click on continue. Next, we will be required to do a backup on our Android's WhatsApp. Follow the steps to do it. Tap on 3 dots and then tap on settings and then chats. Tap on chat backup and now tap on backup. This will create a new backup. Once done, click on select backup history. Here we will have our latest WhatsApp backup. Click on continue. Now iCarefone WhatsApp transfer will start getting WhatsApp data from source device. Next, we will be required to verify our WhatsApp backup, and for that we can use 64-digit encryption key or SMS verification. I will suggest you to use 64-digit encryption key as it is much faster than SMS verification. Now to enable and get 64-digit encryption key, follow this method. Open WhatsApp. Tap on 3 dots and then tap on settings. Now tap on chats and then chat backup. Tap on end-to-end encrypted backup. Next tap on turn on and click on use 64-digit encryption key instead. Now tap on generate your 64-digit key. Now this will generate your encryption key. Take a screenshot so that we can use it later. Next, tap on continue. Now tap on I saved my 64-digit key. Next, we need to create end-to-end encrypted backup and for that tap on create. Now enter your 64-digit encryption key using the screenshot and then click on verify. Next, it will start generating data that can be restored. From here we can select the data we want to transfer. Let's not change anything and click on continue. Now we will be required to log into WhatsApp on iPhone. Open WhatsApp, then tap on agree and continue. Next, enter your number and verify it. Once done, click on logged in. Now we will be required to turn off Find My iPhone on our iPhone. Follow the steps to do it. Open settings and then profile. Next, tap on iCloud. Scroll down and here we have Find My iPhone. Tap on it and toggle it off. Enter Apple ID and then tap on turn off. This will turn off Find My iPhone. Once done, click on try again. It will start restoring data to the target device and boom, transfer successfully. Now iPhone will restart and once we open WhatsApp, it will have all our chats with images, videos, voice notes and stickers. This is how easily you can also transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone without factory reset your iPhone using iCarefone WhatsApp transfer. Effortless and 100% working. Now you may ask, is iCarefone WhatsApp transfer free to use? Well, it's not free, but hey, as we are in festive season, I have some special discounts and offer for you. Here we can play Christmas teaser hunt game and win up to $500 gift card. Just click on start. Now enter your email ID and click on submit. Congratulations, you will have your gift ready. Get more chances to win by following Tenorshare on Twitter and Facebook. Well, not only this, there are some more Christmas special offers and you can also share your precious Christmas memories to win $100 Amazon gift card. Just subscribe to Tenorshare on YouTube and share your memories in comments. So what are you waiting for? Enjoy this festive season with new iPhone and use iCarefone WhatsApp transfer to transfer all your WhatsApp data to new iPhone. Find the links in description and pin comment to get started with. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share your reviews and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Double Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Forgot iPhone passcode and want to unlock iPhone without passcode or Face ID? If yes, this video is for you. Just follow simple steps to unlock your iPhone. If you forgot your passcode, forgot Android phone password and want to unlock Android phone without password? If yes, this video is for you. Just follow simple steps and you can unlock your Android phone